Hello, Gayatri here. I am a dietitian, spiritual, emotional, relationship, and mental health coach. So, I am going to share you about this spiritual awakening process or the shift that is happening during this earth ascension, and knowingly or unknowingly we all are part of this major shift. Yesterday someone asked me about this question, when will this world end? And it is nothing about ending, but maybe for some, yes, it is the ending of all dimension, all 3D lower dimension programming which installed into the system in the last few years. And if we think about the past, maybe thousands of years ago, there was more freedom, more love, and each and everyone was equal, and that food or relationship or everything was more of love based, not business oriented. But in the last so many years it changed into another phase. Maybe that was Kali Yuga, as it is mentioned in Bhagavad Gita by Krishna. During Kali Yuga we see so many lower dimension programs, and we follow many things which is not connected to our divine self, but connected to something else, or the divine true essence will be revealed during this earth ascension process. And same as the government or the ruling here, we have a body, light body, which decide what needs to be happen in this universe, in India, or in earth. So this is based upon the soul which choose to take this mission forward, and through them this light is channeling and sharing with the people who resonate with it. So still we have 10 to 15% of people who awaken their own true self and essence to the best possible dimension, which is for the good of all, to share the divine essence of love inside. And we are nothing but that divinity inside, and love is not outside. God's religion is nothing but love, but religion divided people and took away that love essence, that feminine or masculine love essence is being manipulated with guilt, shame, sin. And the moment a child born, they lock this crown chakra with some kind of rituals in some religion. In some other religion they cut some organs, and in different part of the world it is different. I'm not talking about particular thing. And in here the spoonul or some rituals, and all those who was being manipulated or in a limited knowledge, they are evolving to the higher consciousness of unity, or we all are one in earth. We are here to share this love essence and to understand that essence of purity inside our own self. And during this Satya Yuga, that we are moving into a new era of love energy, and each and everyone can listen, can hear what you are thinking. So think good. You cannot manipulate people with duality. You are thinking something and you are acting something else, but the intuition is very high. We can hear, we can listen. The higher sensory perceptions, sixth sense or higher sense in ninth dimension, it is very easy to see the world